Hi, everybody. This is Scott Miller with River City Mortgage and Financial, and welcome to this week's Market Minute. This is for the week of July 20th, 2009. A lot of stuff going on this week. We saw a little bit of a roller coaster last week. Rates improved a little bit, and then they kind of came down at the end. And then today, as we're speaking, we're doing this, and I do apologize. This is Tuesday. I was out of town yesterday, Tuesday the 21st. The market is up, doing well. And when I say talk about that, I'm talking about the bonds going up and improving, which means interest rates are coming down. A lot of that is due to Ben Bernanke, the Fed chairman, his speech today that said he's really going to make sure and keep inflation in check. It was inflation numbers, strong economic data that came at the end of last week that kind of beat it up a little bit. Right now, my recommendation, remember, this is for realtors and financial planners and their clients. And we hope that they forward these on to their clients, and then we hope that their clients remember to thank them by referring your friends, family, and work associates to them. We also want to be their partner in lending and helping people finance their homes. The right mortgage is probably the most important financial tool they can choose, so they're better able to reach their financial goals. I want to be your lender. You can reach me at 763-509-7400. My email address is smiller@rcmortgage.com. Anyway, our initial reactions today are going to be on a day-to-day basis. Remember, we're not giving a long-term advice on this. This is the market that changes all the time. So today I would say continue to float. Rates can only do three things: go up, down, or stay the same. And right now the market's improving. You have a better chance of the rates staying the same or improving tomorrow. We're getting some the revisions of the University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Now that comes out and says how well are consumers willing? How willing are we to spend money? Those are phone surveys that are done, and that comes out usually beginning of the month, and then it kind of gets revised during the month. And even though people might be willing to spend money, are they actually spending money? So that's kind of what we're trying to take a look at and see, are people really doing that, and seeing where we're at. But the Fed's commitment to keep inflation. Now remember, Greenspan, when he was the Fed chairman, he controlled the market or influenced the market just by what he said. And Bernanke learned from that. He does the same thing. So he's very scripted and very much on purpose. And when he says something, that's going to be taken to heart. They are very cautious of what they say, so the market doesn't react incorrectly. So right now, float on a day-to-day basis. Make sure you're talking to your lender, understanding what the lock rules are with that particular investor, and when your closing date is. Thanks very much, and make it a great week.